he gets up on the drum.
Hey you guys, so today we are going to be installing this beautiful skin melt Swiss lace. This is the new Swiss lace that's in style. It's perfect for any skin tone. It matches any skin tone and it melts right into your skin. So without further ado, let's just get started with this beautiful, beautiful Swiss lace wig. All right, so this is my beautiful, beautiful client, Nicole. Her hair is all natural. We are freshly washed and conditioned, and we're going to be installing this beautiful Swiss skin melter lace on her today. So let's just get started. We're going to be starting up with the details of this wig. Alright you guys, so this wig is from Superb Wigs hair company. I will leave all the links in the description box for Superb Wigs if you guys want to check them out. But this is the beautiful, beautiful packaging the wig came in, and personally, I just thought that was a cute little box that the wig came in. So when I opened the box, it came the beautiful Swiss lace wig, and this is how the wig looks, okay? It's a silky straight wig. Also in the box came a stocking cap, which is like 10 stocking cap, and then they did send elastic band, extra elastic band in the box just in case you needed it for extra security. So this wig is their new skin melted Swiss lace, which means the lace is extremely thin. It matches any skin tone, and it pretty much melts into any skin tone perfectly. Inside of the wig already came bleach, so you don't have to do any bleaching with this wig. This is how beautiful the inside look. In the back of the wig, it does come with 2 adjustable straps. It also comes with 4 combs in the wig just for extra hold, and it also did comes with the elastic band that you can attach on. But this is how the front of the wig looks. It comes pre-plucked already with the bleach knots, and you don't have to worry about customizing it because they did all of that for you. And this lace is extremely, extremely thin. This is the lace on my hand, and you can see how it matches my skin tone perfectly, how it blends on my skin tone perfectly. You can see how it matches on my hand. Now when I put this on her, it's also going to match her skin tone, and she is darker than me. Alright, so now I'm going to take this Swiss lace wig and I'm going to compare it to a regular lace wig just to compare the difference with the laces so you guys can see the different texture of the laces. Now this is a regular lace front away. You can see how thick that lace looks in the front. You can see the hairline. This wig is not pre-plucked and it's not bleached. You can definitely see the difference with the hairline, and comparing the 2 laces side by side. This is the regular lace wig on your right side, and then is the Swiss lace on your left side. So I just wanted to compare the 2 wigs so you guys can see the difference. Alright, so for customizing this wig, you pretty much don't need any type of customizing unless you want to do it some more. But the hairline comes already pre-plucked for you. It has a beautiful, beautiful hairline. You do not have to pluck it out more unless you really choose to. The next thing is the lace. This lace melts into any skin tone. You can see the lace matches my mannequin. The lace is so thin, and it's perfect for any skin tone. The Swiss lace is just a beautiful lace, and it's easy and undetectable lace. It just matches and melts into any skin tone. The knots on this wig in the front comes bleached already, so you can part it anywhere and you do not have to bleach the knots on this wig. So this Swiss lace wig is such a bomb wig. I will leave all the links in the description box if you definitely want to check this wig out. Now we're going to move on to installing this wig on my beautiful, beautiful client. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is get rid of all her natural hair. We do not want her hair in the way. So we are braiding all her hair all back. And then we're going to do our stocking cap, which will be like our ball cap. Is it necessary to really do the ball cap with this lace wig? I don't think it is. But just to protect your hair and your edges, I will recommend that you do the ball cap method. Alright, so after doing her braids, I just braided her hair all back. She is ready for the install. The first thing I'm doing is I'm going to get rid of all her little bitty baby hair and edges. I'm going to remove them and push them back with her braids just to make sure they are not in the way because we don't want to get any glue on them. Next thing, I'm applying the stocking cap, which we are going to do our ball cap method now. After applying the stockings, I'm just putting holes in the ear tab so the ear tabs can lay really flat. And I'm using the olive oil lace spray to hold down the stockings. And then I'm using my blow dryer to blow dry it completely dry before cutting off the extra stockings. So after cutting the extra stockings off, our ball cap method is ready. We're going to put the wig on and I'm going to show you guys how the wig looks just by putting it on. You can see how that lace melts right into her hairline. The lace matches her skin. When it was on my hand, it matches my hand. When it was on the mannequin, it matches the mannequin. And now it's on her skin and it matches her skin too. So this is how great the Swiss lace is. So now it's time to apply the wig. The first thing I'm going to do is tint her stockings. The stockings looks too white on her skin tone, and this is the stocking that came with the wig. So I'm applying some foundation that matches her skin. I'm applying it to the stockings so we have a perfect blend between the stockings and the lace. Alright, so after applying the foundation to the stockings, it was time to put on the wig. And once I slide the wig on, you guys can see how perfect that lace looks in the front. Okay, it matches her skin so beautiful. The lace looks so nice and it blends right into her skin. I did add an elastic band in the back, but she wanted this wig to be stuck on. We could have done this wig glueless, but she wanted the wig to be stuck on. She did not want to be taking it off and on. So she asked that I use some glue and melt the lace down so she can have it on for at least a couple of days or at least a week. So that's just what we did. I'm going to do is take 99% alcohol, and I'm wiping and cleaning her hairline. I do want her hairline to be clean. I'm removing any dirt or makeup so that the glue will be able to stick down. Next, using my boho glue, lace glue, I'm going to apply just one layer at a time. I'm going to make sure to do this in section. I'm doing the front hairline first, then I'm going to move on to the side. So I apply the glue, I make sure it dries clear, just like the way it looks, and then I pull the lace onto the glue. I did ask my client to help me hold the lace in the front, and then I use my blow dryer and I blow dry the lace that it sticks into her skin. Alright, so once I have my front hairline stuck down and secure, I did take my pair of scissors and I went ahead and cut the lace around her ear just to make sure that the wig fits around her ear tabs. Next, I go ahead and I take the boho glue again and I apply it to the sides. I use my popsicle stick and of course I rub it in till it melts clear or it turns clear, and then I securely pull the lace onto the glue and I tell her to hold it, and then I again use my blow dryer and I blow dry the sides of the lace and make sure that the lace is stuck on the glue. So once I have the left side down and the middle side down, I'm moving on to the right side now. I took my pair of scissors again and I cut the lace so it fits exactly around her ear tabs, okay? And then I went in with the boho again. I applied one layer of the glue to her sides, and then I use my stick again and I melt the glue clear before I pour the lace onto the glue, and then again I use my blow dryer to securely dry it in place. Once the lace is down and installed, I want to get that extra melt of the lace. So what I do is I part off a little bit of baby hair before I cut the lace. I part the baby hair from the wig, and I want to get that extra melt. So what I use is a thicker elastic band. I use that and tie the hairline down in the front of my client's hair, and this can be hurtful if it stays too long on the client's hair. But I always warn them, and I put it on for only 10 minutes and let the lace melt, and then I take it off.
We get sap on the track.
After 10 minutes, I went ahead and I took the elastic band off, and this is how the melts look. Now all I did was I took my pair of scissors and my eyebrow shaving razor and I cut off the extra lace in the front.
We get sap on the track.
taking the lace off, it was time to make baby hair. She did want a little bit of baby hair in the front, so I went ahead and just used my She's the Bomb glue, and I used that to form the baby hair, and I used my blow dryer to blow dry it in place. To style this wig. She wanted a middle part, and she just wanted the wig to be flat iron, and it was already flat iron, nice and sleek. So I went in with my hot comb, and I used my wax stick on the top, and I used my hot comb to silk the wig on the top, so it looks really nice and silky. Then I went in with my flat iron and flat iron the entire wig, sleeky straight. Okay. After that, that was pretty much it for this install. The wig turned out to be very, very beautiful. I will leave all the links in the description box for Superb Wigs Hair Company if you guys want to check out this wig. This is a beautiful Swiss lace wig. Check out the details of this wig in the description box. But this is the end results of this wig, and it turned out to be very, very beautiful. As always, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.
We get sap on the truth.